Be imperfect. This is your host Raja. Welcome to the show. I want to be imperfect. I want you to be imperfect. You know why? Because I am imperfect, because I am unique. You are imperfect because you are unique. I am not normal. I am imperfect. But I want to be perfect. You get this? If you are unique, you cannot be compared. Because your accomplishments, your goal, your dream is way bigger than a normal person. So naturally you are imperfect. Understand this. So enjoy your imperfectness and be real to it. Just because I am tall doesn't mean I can be Amitabh Bachchan. Right? Just because I can sing cannot be a world famous singer. But I can be a good thinker. I can change people's life, their attitude, their goals, how to accomplish it, how to deal with problems, how to find solutions. These are my unique skills. So I am happy about to be imperfect. Ask yourself, how imperfect are you? And the most important thing is how to build a skill on your imperfect. I tell you about myself. When I was in school, I used to be sitting in the last row because I had the problem of shyness. I cannot talk to people. I cannot, if a teacher asks me for an answer, even if I knew also, I'll be trembling. This is how I am. But I made my imperfect to perfectness because I want to be real to myself. So ask yourself, what is a skill which you are losing, which stops to attain or achieve your goals? So be real to it. And most important thing, raise your standards. How? Because when I perfected my skill of delivering what I want to do, I became perfect. To do that, I have to come across a lot of struggle. How do I do? What do I do? How to overcome? These are the questions which I ask myself. And every day, like a board exam, I started finding answer for it. And I started preparing for the exam. So today I am here because of my imperfectness. So ask yourself, how is my pain I'm going to endure? And what is the standard that I'm going to rise myself to be a perfect man? Imperfect in whatever I do in life. So keep thinking. Find what is it. You got $1 million answer for it. And do it now. Don't throw behind your back and make a history of yesterday. Think about today. Tomorrow you're going to make a very big change. And that is going to be a perfect day for you. This is your host Raja. And I will see you very soon with another thought-provoking lessons and morals for everyday solutions of our problems. I wish, I pray a great successful future